Late payments. All right. Late payments, late payments, late payments. Most of y'all don't know what late payment letters to send out. Do not send out another late payment letter until you do this. You need to know that a round one late payment to creditor and a round one late payment to a CRA or a consumer reporting agency, aka credit bureau, are completely two different type of letters. Why? The language is different because you are disputing with different entities and they have different requirements. All right. You have to know what language to use when you're attempting to delete late payments. A reason why a lot of you are not successful, one of the top reasons is you are sending the wrong dispute letter to the wrong person. You do not know how to phrase the context of the letter, so the content hit and they have to delete the late payment. A late payment only exists because you let it exist. Yes, I'm calling you out. You let the late payment exist. And you're going to say, Daraine, why did you say I let the late payment exist? Because you never challenge. You never challenge the late payment. You never challenge the compliance of the reporting of the information. See, there's five things that must be done. Five things that must be done for a late payment to be compliant. And if these five things are not done, which is below in my dispute letter, you can get that in the late payment deletion guide. They will never delete your late payment, ever. And you're going to pay high interest rate. You are going to pay late fees. You're going to go get denied for credit because whenever anybody pull your credit and see you have a history of late payments, they're not going to lend you anything. Then you're going to be stuck living an expensive life of bad credit because you have late payment. The terms and conditions will be bad and they will put you in a category of subprime lending. If you are one of the 126 million Americans that have late payments in the last 12 months. Yes, that's what the statistic says. 37% of Americans have a late payment or paid a late fee in the last 12 months. Guys, the population is about 335 million people. That's the US population. And 200 million have a credit report. So we're talking about people that have credit reports and people that don't have credit reports that may have a bank account, but because allegedly they were late, they paid a $35 late payment fee. So let me put that in some context for you. Let me put that in context for you. At 126 million, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, multiplied by a $35 late payment, that gave us a $4.4 billion paid in the last 12 months for late payments alone. And guess what? You didn't get a single dollar of it. Guys, remove the late payment and get your late payment fee back. Get the late payment deleted, get your late payment fee back, and go be great. All right, the letters are below. Click the link. You'll get all the information, what late payment letter to send to a creditor, what late payment letter to send to a CRA. Go be great. Go be amazing. Delete them late payments. Go get your life on track. See you guys on the next video.